Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make this box topper. The box I made from resin and fake frosted it. I first begin by making the cone. I flatten some clay and then use a mold which I made earlier and roll out the clay on this mold. I then cut it in a circle and roll this with the help of a piping nozzle and then color it with chalk pastel. I then make a choco chip ice cream by making a dome shape. I texture it using a clay brush tool and the side of a pointy tool. I then attach this to the cone. For the body of the bear, I make a ball of clay and then make it into a conical shape. I also add in a smaller ball for the head. For the ears, I take two smaller balls and flatten it. I then make indents in them with the help of my ball tool. I also stick a lighter piece of clay for the mouth. For the eyes and mouth, I take some black clay, make it into a snake and cut out balls for the eyes and nose. I then add the same lighter color clay I used for the mouth for the eyebrows as well. For the hands and legs, I cut out equal parts of clay from a snake of clay and then stick it onto place. I also add in the ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.